Jackson County homeowners continue to face that uphill battle as home assessments are now pricing people out of their homes.
I'm 80, retired, and have a doubled tax. That's just too much. Senior citizens or anybody is too much.
Now a group of people in eastern Jackson County suing the county.
Tonight, KSHB 41's Abby Dodge is speaking with their lawyers about the suit.
We spoke to the county assessor about the challenges they faced heading into this year's assessment, while people outside of this building are suing the county and some of the people working for it.
All of Kansas City needs to get together to help everybody on this.
I feel a lot, yes, I do. It went up quite a bit.
Seats in the Jackson County legislature filled with property owners frustrated with their assessed property values and hoping to appeal. The director of assessment in the county, Gail McCann-Beatty, said the questions asked by county leaders were fair. In exchanges with legislators, she admitted to taking on lofty goals that could have benefited from delaying another cycle. Where do you feel we'll be in another 2 years?
I think people have to keep in mind that it is a multi-year process. I think we'll be in a much better place in 2025.
A 16-page lawsuit filed last week addresses one key issue, according to plaintiffs. They're claiming the county did not notify some property owners of their tax assessments before June 15th. That's a deadline set by state statutes, which in an interview with Beatty, she said was met by a third party they contract with. Kenneth B. McLean is the attorney representing plaintiffs in a class action lawsuit.
It's not the desire of the plaintiffs in this case simply not to have proper tax increases. They're simply saying that if in fact there is a reassessment and tax increase, you got to follow the rules.
They're suing the county assessor, the county collector, members of the Board of Equalization, and Tyler Technologies, which the county contracts with for these assessments. When asked about Tyler Technologies, Beatty said the multi-million-dollar contract is being fulfilled.
Do you feel like what is being delivered at this moment is worth the money that's being paid to that?
Absolutely. If given the condition that our data was in when I got here, there was no way to move forward without doing the parcel by parcel review. We had to have a new system.
While admittedly working through challenges of updating outdated data. In Kansas City, Abby Dodge, KSHB 41 News.
If you need some help appealing your property assessment, you can attend one or more workshops before the deadline. That workshop is 5:30 to 8 this Tuesday at 28 Event Space in Kansas City. Again, this is the last one. You do need to sign up online. We have a link to do that at kshb.com.